we'll be teaching you how to create a professional flyers that stand out. As an AI graphic designer, our goal is to create with AI. So AI is we want to make it more easier. So in today's class, we'll be using ChatGPT and Canva AI. So if you don't have Canva, I have one that will Canva and ChatGPT. So let's head over to our ChatGPT. So come to your ChatGPT. Click on your ChatGPT. ChatGPT is what we use to generate a prompt. So I understand all of you understand how a prompt is about. So you make sure you create a heady prompt, not the prompt that will actually make mistake. So our case today will be creating business prompt. Writing create prompt. No, as before you start anything with ChatGPT, always write create me a prompt. So if I create an image, ChatGPT will automatically create an image. So you create me a prompt for them. So creating for them. Course, VIP, photo shoot, masterclass. So photo shoot, masterclass training, learning. So you write what you want. You write it if you're learning how to create a professional photo shoot with just a smartphone. Just a smartphone. Only for 30 serious people. Only for 30 serious people. 5K. So you tell the details, you give all the details, just give all the details. So you write, use bold typology. Use bold typology. Use bold typology. White color. White color. Professional style. Call to action. So you also add call to action. Call to action. Register now before the slot close. Register now before the slot. Information. So you add your WhatsApp number. So after writing, you type again, make it more professional. Canva AI prompt style. So you come here to click on this plus on this button. So you click on this white to create the prompt. see. So ChatGPT automatically creates the prompt. You can see here's the prompt. So you can see ChatGPT has made it easy. So that is the AI tool. So you come and copy your prompt. So you come to copy the prompt. So you copy all the prompt. Now our prompt is successfully generated. So we come to Canva to edit. No, we are not using automatic editing, we are using AI editing with just the prompt. Canva is for editing app, you use for basic and pro. So we're using AI to edit. So wait, let Canva load. You see describe your idea. So when you open to your own site, Canva may not show you this way. So this way will show you. It will not show you this way. This way it will show you once you open your Canva. Yes. So how to locate that place? How to locate the Canva AI? So you come here to this three dot. Click on this three dot. More. Click on more. Then want to click on Canva AI. So click on Canva AI. You can see this is where to locate this particular application. So you paste in the prompt you generated from ChatGPT. So you paste in the prompt and hit and generate. So you hit on generate. Canva will automatically create 4 different flyers. The reason why I love Canva will not create you just one particular one. It will create 4 different flyers. See, so you pick the right choice. And it is editable. Not like the first, the one training. You cannot edit the one training unless you have some others. So this is editable, not duplicating. We edit the one we like. So let's wait for all the flyers to load. You can see there are four type. So we'll be using this one. So I'll be taking this one. You can see this is the image. So how to edit it? If you don't like any space, so you come to use Canva editor. So you click on use Canva editor.
Flyer prompt. So you can edit in any style. You can edit the name. You can edit any style. So this one was edited by me. How do I edit it? I come to this element to find this round circle on it. I come to this and come to element. That is it here. So you can edit it in the way you like. Add image. If you want to add image, click on gallery. Here are some images. You can add images like as you want. You can use it to fit your client. So after creating the flyer, here is how to save. So you click on this download button here at the right top. So if you are using iPhone, you see it at the down. So you click on this save. So you click on it, you see save as image. So it automatically be saved as image. You can see. So this is how to create a professional flyer. So like, follow and share this video. You can see this is a flyer created with just a print. Editable flyer created with just a print. So the time spent, the time wasted, here you can see that